Do you feel like life is moving too fast? Jesus didn't just come to save us. He came to show us how to live. Here are 3 life lessons from Christ that will shift your perspective today. First, rest is not a reward, it's a requirement. Jesus often slipped away from the crowds to be alone with God. If the Son of God needed time to recharge, you do too. It's okay to say no to the world, to say yes to your soul. Second, everyone is fighting a battle you know nothing about. When the world wanted to stone the woman caught in sin, Jesus offered grace. Your perspective shifts when you stop looking for flaws and start looking for ways to love. Third, your storm has a sovereign. Jesus slept during the storm because he knew who held the winds. If he's in your boat, you cannot sink. Stop telling God how big your storm is and start telling the storm how big your God is. Which of these hit home for you today? Let me know in the comments and share this with someone who needs a perspective shift. God bless you, Bible Undefeated Prayers family.